In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Teachers Mutual Bank app branches and ATMs near you, step by step. Whether you're new to online banking or just need a bit of guidance, these steps will help you locate the nearest branch or ATM with ease. So let's dive in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Teachers Mutual Bank website. You can do this by typing in tmbank.com.au or simply conducting a quick search for Teachers Mutual Bank. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a user-friendly layout that makes navigation a breeze. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site. This will make your future banking experience much smoother. Now that you're on the homepage, look toward the top of the page and locate the contact link. It's typically situated in the main navigation menu, ensuring you can easily find how to get in touch or visit in person. Go ahead and click on Contact. This will take you to a new page dedicated to various ways you can reach Teachers Mutual Bank. At this point, you'll see different options for contacting the bank, such as phone numbers and FAQs. However, what you want to focus on is the option labeled Visit a Branch. This is the tool you need to find your nearest branch or ATM. Click on Visit a Branch and you will be taken to a page specifically designed to help you locate the most convenient physical location. On this page, you'll find a comprehensive list of branches and ATMs categorized by regions across Australia. This is incredibly handy as it breaks down the options by state, making it easier to find the location most convenient to you. You can choose from a list of states including New South Wales, Victoria, Western Australia, or the Australian Capital Territory. Make sure to choose the region where you are located or the one you'll be visiting. Once you select your region, you'll be provided with detailed information about the available branches and ATMs in that area. This includes addresses, opening hours, and any additional services that each branch may offer. If you're planning to visit a branch, this information can help you plan your trip accordingly, ensuring that you arrive during hours of operation and know exactly where to go. And there you have it. Finding a Teachers Mutual Bank branch or ATM near you is straightforward with these simple steps. By knowing how to navigate their website, you ensure all your banking needs can be met with convenience. Remember, having quick access to your bank can save you loads of time and give you peace of mind knowing your money is handled efficiently. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy banking!